Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can restrict explicit books content on the iPhone 13 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. In here, tap on Content Restrictions. Next, we go down and tap on Books. In here, we can choose between Clean or Explicit. Okay, so select Clean or Explicit, and then tap on the back key to go back. Okay, so after that, you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to Settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. That's how you can restrict explicit books content on the iPhone 13 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.